If you've been spinning your wheels in the gym without seeing the muscle growth you want, the problem might not be your exercises or your diet. It could be your workout split. Today, I'm breaking down the absolute best workout splits for maximum muscle growth, whether you're a complete beginner or an advanced lifter looking to break through plateaus. The science behind muscle growth and training frequency. Before we dive into specific workout splits, let's understand what actually drives muscle growth. Muscle hypertrophy occurs through three primary mechanisms: mechanical tension, metabolic stress, and muscle damage. The key to maximizing these factors lies in how you structure your training throughout the week. Research shows that training each muscle group 2 to 3 times per week produces superior muscle growth compared to training once per week. This is because protein synthesis, the process that builds new muscle tissue, remains elevated for approximately 48 to 72 hours after training. By hitting each muscle group multiple times per week, you're maximizing the time your muscles spend in an anabolic state. The push-pull leg split, the gold standard for muscle growth. The push-pull leg split, often abbreviated as PPL, is widely considered the most effective workout split for muscle growth. Here's why it works so well. Push day focuses on all pushing movements: chest, shoulders, and triceps. This grouping makes perfect sense because these muscles work together in compound movements like bench press and overhead press. Pull day targets all pulling movements: back, rear delts, and biceps. Again, these muscles function synergistically in exercises like pull-ups and rows. Legs day covers your entire lower body: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. The beauty of PPL is its flexibility. Beginners can run it as a 3-day split, hitting each muscle group once per week. Intermediate and advanced lifters can run it as a 6-day split, training each muscle group twice per week for enhanced muscle growth. Sample PPL split: push day, bench press, overhead press, incline dumbbell press, lateral raises, tricep dips, close grip bench press. Pull day: pull-ups, barbell rows, lat pull-downs, face pulls, barbell curls, hammer curls. Leg day: squats, Romanian deadlifts, leg press, leg curls, calf raises, lunges. Upper-lower split, perfect for intermediate lifters. The upper-lower split divides your training into upper body and lower body sessions. This split is particularly effective for intermediate lifters who can handle more volume than beginners but may not have the recovery capacity for a 6-day PPL routine. Upper body sessions target chest, back, shoulders, and arms in a single workout. This allows you to hit each muscle group with substantial volume while maintaining good exercise selection. Lower body sessions focus on quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. You can dedicate more time and energy to compound movements like squats and deadlifts. Most lifters run upper-lower as a 4-day split: upper, lower, rest, upper, lower, rest, rest. This provides excellent training frequency while allowing adequate recovery between sessions. Sample upper-lower split: upper, bench press, barbell rows, overhead press, pull-ups, dumbbell flies, barbell curls, tricep extensions. Lower: squats, Romanian deadlifts, leg press, leg curls, walking lunges, calf raises, hip thrusts. Full body workouts, optimal for beginners. Full body workouts involve training every major muscle group in each session. While this might sound overwhelming, it's actually the most effective approach for beginners. New lifters can recover quickly from training sessions and benefit from the high training frequency that full body workouts provide. Full body routines typically involve 2 to 3 training sessions per week, with at least 1 day of rest between sessions. Each workout includes 1 compound movement for each major muscle group, focusing on fundamental movement patterns. The key to successful full body training is exercise selection. Prioritize compound movements that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Think squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, and rows. Sample full body workout: squats, bench press, barbell rows, overhead press, Romanian deadlifts, plank. The bro split: when it works and when it doesn't. The traditional bro split, training 1 muscle group per day, has fallen out of favor in recent years, and for good reason. Training each muscle group only once per week is suboptimal for muscle growth due to the limited training frequency. However, the bro split isn't completely useless. Advanced lifters with exceptional recovery abilities and those using performance-enhancing substances might benefit from the extremely high volume per muscle group that this split allows. For natural lifters seeking maximum muscle growth, the bro split is generally the least effective option. The low training frequency fails to maximize protein synthesis, and most lifters struggle to maintain intensity and focus during extremely long, single muscle group sessions. Periodization and progressive overload. Regardless of which split you choose, success depends on progressive overload, gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles over time. This can be achieved through adding weight to exercises, increasing the number of repetitions performed, adding additional sets to your workouts, or decreasing rest periods between sets. Periodization. The systematic planning of your training becomes crucial as you advance. Beginners can make progress with linear progression, simply adding weight each week. Intermediate and advanced lifters benefit from more sophisticated approaches like block periodization or daily undulating periodization. Volume recommendations by experience level. Beginners should start with 10 to 12 sets per muscle group per week. This provides sufficient stimulus for growth while allowing adequate recovery. Focus on learning proper form and establishing consistency before increasing volume. Intermediate lifters typically respond well to 12 to 16 sets per muscle group per week. This increased volume supports continued muscle growth as your body adapts to training. Advanced lifters may require 16 to 20 plus sets per muscle group per week. However, this high volume must be earned through years of consistent training and superior recovery practices. Recovery and its impact on muscle growth. No discussion of workout splits is complete without addressing recovery. Your muscles don't grow during workouts. They grow during rest periods when your body repairs and rebuilds damaged muscle tissue. Sleep is the most critical recovery factor. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone and maximizes protein synthesis. Nutrition plays an equally important role. Consume adequate protein, approximately 0.8 to 1.2 grams per pound of body weight, to provide the building blocks for muscle growth. Don't neglect carbohydrates and fats, which provide energy for intense training sessions and support hormone production. Customizing your split based on goals and lifestyle. The best workout split is the one you can consistently follow while making progress toward your goals. Consider these factors when choosing your split. Training experience. Beginners should start with full body or upper-lower splits. Intermediate and advanced lifters can handle higher frequency splits like PPL. Available time? If you can only train 3 days per week, choose a full body or 3-day PPL split. Those with more time can opt for higher frequency options. Recovery capacity. This varies significantly between individuals and is influenced by age, stress levels, sleep quality, and nutrition. Choose a split that allows complete recovery between sessions targeting the same muscle groups. Personal preferences. Some people thrive on the variety of full body workouts, while others prefer the focused approach of body part splits. Choose what you enjoy and can stick with long term. Common mistakes to avoid. Many lifters sabotage their progress by making these common errors, constantly switching between different splits without giving any single approach enough time to work. Stick with your chosen split for at least 8 to 12 weeks before making changes. Focusing too heavily on isolation exercises at the expense of compound movements. Compound exercises should form the foundation of any muscle-building program. Neglecting progressive overload in favor of constantly changing exercises. Consistency and gradual progression trump variety when it comes to muscle growth. Action steps. The best workout split for maximum muscle growth depends on your experience level, recovery capacity, and lifestyle factors. Beginners should start with full body workouts or an upper-lower split. Intermediate and advanced lifters will likely see the best results from a push-pull legs routine performed 4 to 6 times per week. Remember, the most effective split is the one you can consistently follow while progressively overloading your muscles over time. Focus on compound movements, prioritize recovery, and give your chosen approach adequate time to produce results. Start by honestly assessing your current situation. How many days per week can you realistically train? What's your experience level? How well do you currently recover between sessions? Use these answers to select the split that best fits your circumstances and commit to following it consistently for the next 12 weeks. Your muscle growth journey doesn't end with choosing the right split. It begins there. Take action today, stay consistent, and watch your physique transform over the coming months. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share it, and leave a comment so the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to others who could benefit. Subscribe for more fitness content